Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Xtreme and the Windows laptop, and I'm going to show you how you can pair these two devices. So the first, you have to click on this power button once to turn on your JBL Xtreme, and right now this button, it's on the light, on the white color, so we have to move it and put the blue. So we have to click once on the blue button. As you can see right now, it's on the blue and it's blinking. It means that this speaker is visible to other devices. So simply put it back. And the next step, it's very simple. We have to go for the settings on our Windows PC. Go for the settings. Go for this left bar for the Bluetooth and devices. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Click to add a device. Select Bluetooth. Take a look right here for all available devices and select your JBL Xtreme. As you can see, it appears right here at the bottom, so click once with the left mouse button, and after a few seconds we are successfully connected. As you can see, that's how it looks, that's how easy you can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.